Rather safe in my yard than for the out there and the virus and yam me. You see me? Hey guys, it's your girl Majestie and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you some Jamaican phrases. So let's get into it. First phrase I have for you is hoshia. Now when a Jamaican says this to you, they're reassuring you that everything's going to be okay. They're caring for you. They're having sympathy for you. They're basically telling you it's going to be alright. It's going to be okay. Don't worry about it. They're just letting you know that even though what's happened has happened, it's going to be fine. Don't worry about it. Better's going to come. But let me use it in a sentence for you. Can't believe that girl is kind of ugly. Even though it's true. But hoshia, somebody can find you pretty. The second one I have for you is soon forward. So when a Jamaican tells you that you're not then soon forward, it means, you know, I'm on my way, I'll be there soon, I soon come. Let me give you a scenario. So if you were supposed to meet up with someone and you ring them and you're like, yo, where are you? They could be like soon forward, meaning like they're on the way, they soon come, they're nearby. You know, so them soon forward. As number 3, the last and final one is yasimi. Now when you say this to someone, you're basically asking them if they understand. Do you understand me? That's what it means, yasimi. You understand me? You know, when you say you're clarifying that they understand you, they know what you're on about. Let me use it in a sentence for you. One virus about the place, you know, and yam out everybody. So the only thing me can do is stay in my yard. But you know what? Me rather safe in my yard than for the out there and the virus and yam me. You see me? Okay guys, that is all I have for you today. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something. Feel free to comment any Jamaican phrases you know in the comment section below. Also remember to like and subscribe, and I will definitely see you in another video. Bye!